Welcome to Midwest Labs. Today we are going to show you how to view your report. So once your soil sample was sent in or brought in physically to our main office, after 3 to 4 business days, we will email you a copy of your report. But you can also come into the myLab portal and then go to the View Reports tab. Once you click on the View Reports tab, they'll have a date range which you can filter back, but just scroll down. If a soil or other sample is still in the lab, you will see an in progress flag, but once it is completed, it will have a full report number, and then to the right you can click on the report button and then just click on PDF. So this is what comes up and would have been emailed to you. So this will be your completed report. If you have any questions on the results or the recommendations, you can contact us at Midwest Labs to talk to a field rep that's assigned to your area. You can also, if you forgot to add recommendations, you can add recommendations here through the interactive report selection. Just keep in mind, this doesn't give you a new report. This just gives you the calculations in real time. So you can add the recommendations here if you forgot to do so. And then it will reflect down below. So just keep in mind, you'll want to take a screenshot or just jot down the data that way. If you have any questions about your reports, please contact us at 402-334-7770 or by email, contact us at midwestlabs.com. Thank you so much.